Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a little makeup related videos, and today we're gonna do another makeup unboxing. Seems like since I came back is all I've done, but I am getting ready to do some makeup looks with these palettes. So if you're excited about these, this one is absolutely gorgeous. Assist. Look at these, like assist. I have not tried it. I got it in my Lashy box. I didn't get to do my Lashy box unboxing. I will this month coming, but I have switched the box up. Also to the, like I had the $12 box, which ended up being 16 and everything, but now I get the $25 box. It's the bigger box. And then I got this, and I'm going to do a look with it just to see, even though it's like just neutral colors, we're just going to try it. I haven't tried this brand, so I'm going to try it with you guys. So, well, I dropped both of them. So, we are now going to be unboxing the Ipsy, or unbagging, really, the Ipsy Glam bag. This is $12 a month. 5 deluxe size samples, a cute little bag. Sometimes you do get a full-size product in it, which for $12 you can't really go wrong. Okay. So before we get started, we got one. I'm going to get in the bag. Not before we get started. We are getting started. We are going to do the outside, which is Hip Dot. This is a shading brush. Now, I have never tried any of this. I love Hip Dot. Like, look, a palette laying right here in front of me. And I've not hit pan, but look at her. She is loved. I mean, loved. It's nasty. I use it, like, all the time. Love this palette. But this is really, really pretty. Love it. It is a little thicker than what my normal brushes are, but I'm cool with that. So it's just a shading brush. For a brush like this, you can use it for anything you want to. You can use it to pat on. I'm going to touch my skin with it because I'm going to wash it first. But you can pat on like shimmers with it. I'd rather do my fingers with shimmer. Or you can just pat on colors over your eyes, shade it in. And also, the way it's designed, you can also use this for a blending brush if you want to. There's nothing wrong with that. I use brushes like this all the time to blend with. Because look the way it's made. It's like thick. So I do like that. And I would actually contour my nose with this. Or even, you can use brushes for whatever you want to. Okay, so let's talk about how cute is this bag. Power moves. You like, hold it like this if you want it to. But I find these baggers are so easy. Like, if you want to, like you want to take makeup or something with you in your purse, it's so easy to throw in the bag, in your bag, or in your purse, in your gym bag, whatever, and take a few items. A bigger one would be, you know, if you're in a gym bag, a bigger bag would be better, but you can pack stuff you need. But I like it. Love that neon green, yellow going on. On camera, it kind of looks yellow, but it is green. Goes perfect with the blue. So I do like that. And that is the theme this month, is Power Moves. And it's just telling us about skincare. And that this bag right here will have over a $50 plus value. So this is just telling you your dramatic skincare duos, what works the best: antioxidant with an SPF, retinol with peptides. Now, I only do retinols at night, which I assume almost everybody does, because it can, like, wearing it out in the sun can, like, make your skin dark. It gives you, like, patchy dark spots. We don't want that. So, with the retinol, you should top your retinol with a skin-firming peptide. They'll penetrate deeper and minimize irritation. And vitamin C should be with ferulic acid, which will help brightening and more stable effect when paired. Salicylic acid with hyaluronic acid, targeting zits, can zap moisture, so give it a hyaluronic boost to nix dry patches. And cremize with squalane. I don't know. I don't think I've used it. Nourish and strengthen your skin. Bury the lock it with a layer of squalane. Okay, so we are going to get started. First product is, it's cute. It looks like it's half cake in bloom. In bloom, and we got live on Sunday. Live on Sunday. And it is a beautiful color. I love that. Scratch to my hand. Beautiful color. So I absolutely love that color. That is a perfect transition color. Or just for some people who likes to do it all over the lid. Add a little shimmer and you're good to go. You could do that with that color. Okay. Next is another little, probably like a highlighter or something. And it is by Farrah. It is so cute. I just love cute stuff. I don't know why, but that is, I love that. Okay, well, so it is like more eyeshadow. This is blush. That is blush. So this is blush, not eyeshadow. It's like really orangey, so I don't know. I think I'd use it as eyeshadow. So this is Blossom and Breeze. And we will... Right there they are. Blossom and Breeze. It's probably buildable. Yeah. So... this, I don't know. I might use it as blush. Who knows? It's like a little orangey, more like a contour. No, I don't think I'll use it for blush. Maybe to contour with. Maybe not. It's a little too orangey for that too. So, this was an add-on in my plus bag. I didn't look at my bag before I done the add-ons. And, now this is light beige. I got fair in mine, so at least they're different colors. And right there it is. It's like, matches my skin tone good. Maybe a little too dark. We'll just see. So, but I think I'd use this more like to do like cover up in case I get a zit or something. I think that's what I'd use this for. Okay, so we're already on our last product. This went breeze right on through. Pure Brazilian. Okay, so this is a daily anti-frizz serum leave-in treatment for stronger, healthy looking hair. With creatine, Acacia, argan oil, and coconut butter. And right here it is. Oh, it smells good. That's how I want my hair to smell. I don't want smells on my face at all. No smells on my face. I don't want that. I can't go for that. But I do like for my hair to smell good. So right here it is. Let me see. It like feels good. It smells good. I'll go ahead and not waste that and like put it in my hair. Because the only thing I got in my hair anyway is like where I was a heat to keep my hair from frying. And really about that is for, especially with my hair, that's about all I needed anyway. And you don't want to start with your roots. You always want to start with the bottom and work your way up because the roots will get greasier faster if you put stuff on them. I haven't had a chance to get my hair back blonde. I'm getting there. I'm just like, I'm liking the way it looks right now. I got a haircut, but I should have had it just done it all at once. But I'm liking it. Feels so much better. I like it the way it is right now. I like the blonde, but it's kind of like growing out too much. So I really just need to go ahead and get it all done. But I don't know. I'm kind of thinking like leaving so much like my regular color, which is red. On camera, it kind of looks brown though. But I am like a natural redhead. But I've been thinking like leaving so much, like a couple inches of brood. I don't know. Normally I just go all blonde. I don't know what I'm going to do. Well, if you have an opinion, please leave it down in the comments. I appreciate all feedback. And since they didn't give us the prices, and really, I'm not going to say we got anything full size this month. It didn't, besides the makeup brush could be considered full size. But it was a nice little bag, something for your hair, blush, eyeshadow. Now, I don't know. That's just so orangey to me. Look at that. I mean, maybe with an orange eye look, and I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. I think I'll use it as eyeshadow. But I do like the hair stuff. I love to leave a leave-in conditioner in my hair. Lately, I've been using the Christopher Robin's, and the other thing I use is the Brio Geo stuff. But that's about all I put in my hair. I don't like to put a lot of stuff in my hair because it's just, my hair like gets greasy too fast if I put products in it. So, I guess that is it. And before you go, if you have not tried Ipsy for yourself, I will leave the link down below. And before you go, please hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate if you want to join the family. And you will also be notified when I upload. And I'm getting back to my regular schedule. Since I hadn't filmed in a while, and then when I start filming again, it's like before I quit filming, it wasn't nerve-wracking. It's like something I was used to doing, but getting back in the flow of it, it's been like, every time I go to upload, it's like panic attacks. I don't know why, because I really enjoyed doing this, but it's just getting myself back into the grooves of things, because I really love this, but it, like when you sit down to make a video, it like takes me all day, because I'll start having, where I guess, I don't know, it's just weird anxiety, I guess. But I guess it is it, and thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.